How to solve any Rubik's Cube within seconds. Start to choose which cube you want to solve. Then proceed to take a picture of every side. This usually works great and just takes a few seconds. Briefly check after every photo if the app recognizes everything correctly. Now you are ready to solve the cube. Before you start, check if you are holding the cube in the right position. Then press the start button and follow the animation on the display. You can also adjust the speed if this is too fast or slow for you. And there we go. First time ever solving a Rubik's Cube.